Hello future engineers! Compare natin yung Canon F789 SGA version 1 and version 2. So in terms of the functions, same lang sila. Merong 605 functions and same user interface. Yan. So kaya nila parehong mag-solve ng hanggang 4 equations for unknown hanggang quartic or fourth degree polynomial equation. Yan. Then, sa matrices, kaya nila parang mag-input ng hanggang 4x4 matrices. Yan. Tapos, may built-in constants, 79 constants, and built-in conversions. Yan. Meron silang dedicated apps button kung saan pwede kayong kumuha ng product, summation, max, min, quotient remainder, modulo, LCM, and GCD. Nakakapag prime factorization din. Yan. And nakaka-store din ng value pati sa mga number buttons. So, halimbawa itong 25, i-shift store natin siya sa 1. Tapos, recall 1 nyo lang para ma-access yung nakastore sa 1 na 25. Okay, in terms of the appearance naman is yung cover ni version 2 is clip cover na siya, while kay version 1 is sliding cover. So, nawala lang din yung solar panel dito kay version 2. Tapos, yung battery is napalitan. Kay version 1 is etong bilog na battery, CR2032. While ngayon, kay version 2 is yung AAA battery na. In terms of the battery cover, this screw yung kay version 1. So, kailangan nyo pa ng tools to open the battery. While dito kay version 2 is pull and release nyo na lang siya. Okay, yung battery din ni version 2 is mas longer battery life compared kay version 1. Tapos, meron ng scannable QR code sa likod si version 2 para ma-authenticate nyo siya. And in terms of the casing naman, mas matibay na yung casing netong version 2 kasi welded na siya. So, hindi nyo siya basta-basta mababaklas kasi baka pag binaklas nyo is matuluyan ng masira din pati mismong calcu. Yan. And ang pinaka main highlight nung improvement kay version 2 is yung faster processing niya. So yes, mas mabilis nang mag-process si version 2 compared kay version 1. Mag-ship, solve, integrate, differentiate. Okay, so ito pa lang si version 1, siya yung PRC approved. So, magagamit nyo siya sa board exam. But si version 2 is pending pa lang siya for PRC approval. Pero hindi naman malabo na ma-PRC approve si version 2 kasi same na 605 functions lang din siya compared kay version 1. Okay? So, ang recommendation ko is kung malapit na kayong mag-board, like kung ngayon taon na, para safe is ang gamitin nyo is si version 1. Okay? Pero kung matagal pa naman kayong magbo-board, like kung undergrad pa lang kayo, incoming freshman, second year, lower year sa engineering, I would recommend itong version 2 para ma-maximize nyo yung faster ship solve niya ngayon. Okay, so sure naman mahintay nyo pa yan ma-PRC approved. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari while undergrad kayo. Okay, pero it's still your choice. Kahit naman undergrad kayo, kung gusto nyo magsigurado na PRC approve yung calculator nyo, pwede pa rin kayong bumili ng version 1. Okay, yun nga lang, mabagal lang talaga mag-process si version 1. Yan. So, pareho silang original calcu pag chinek out nyo guys merong 6-month warranty. So, if you're interested, check the link of the calculators to buy.